Morning, everybody of YouTube. So, a couple of you, including him, wanted me to make a video. On a screwdriver?
Screwdriver. On a screwdriver. I need a screwdriver video.
Yeah, we're making a video on a screwdriver. Yeah, a couple of you wanted me to make a video of installing one of those auto-dimming temperature compass mirrors from the early 2000s Chevy pickups and stuff. This has been a while ago, so I'm way late on making the video. Don't rip me a new one. Do it in a drama box. Here's the mirror. We got some adhesive for the tab, because we got to glue one of these tabs here, because these cars don't come with one, because they have a bolt-in style mirror. So we got to glue the tab on there. We'll figure out where he wants his mirror. Glue the tab on, and then we'll start wiring this mirror up. All you got's the two sensor wires. That's those two there, and you got your power and ground, and that's it. And all you need to do is hook it up to ignition 12 volt, and I know every car's different, so if you got a test light, that's going to be an easiest way to find your ignition 12 volt. On this car, we are going to use the 12 volt outlet because A, he needs to replace it, and B, it's really easy to get to, and it's ignition 12 volt on a Tercel. Right, Luke?
Amen.
You were really coddling those Mountain Dews. Oh, that's a Pepsi in there.
I don't drink this. I'm not a white girl. I don't drink that Pepsi.
Oh! I don't drink White Claw.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Do you eat barbecue fries?
Those are good.
They're busting.
Same with the hot fries.
I don't know about hot, but...
Alright, we're going to get started on this mirror. So yeah, let's go ahead in the car and start running some wires and gluing tabs on. Well, with these cars, figuring out where to put this mirror, because you got these, you don't want that to hit, so what I like to do is, which your car might need to do this too, is try to like somewhat position it where you're going to be driving, like, I don't know, like that. That's about close enough where it's going to be. So you don't want it real high, because then you can't fold these down, so you got to go till you can clear. So it gives you good clearance. Alright, that clears. So we want our tab about right here. So I don't have a way to dot it, but that's okay. It's right at that dirt line. Alright, so which one's the adhesive? Glass bonding rear view mirror adhesive, and then this is the primer. So we're going to do the primer first. This is like professional stuff. I'm used to using the cheap stuff from Walmart. This is almost too fancy. Looks like nothing but the best for Thunder Bucket.
You know it.
Gave it the old sniff check. It's like eye drops. Better put a little extra on there. We know how Luke likes to wheel.
What? I don't break radiators.
You broke both your turn signal lenses yesterday.
No, I didn't. That's not
You put
even
a
a
bulge
radiator.
in a sidewall, then you flatten the tire.
Hey, I don't break radiators, okay?
So funny. That should be it. Now you can't put the mirror on until tomorrow, but
We're gonna put a heat gun on it and make it work.
no, I wouldn't.
It'll dry out. I put mine on after like
This stuff might be better because it's name brand. I don't know, does the box say how fast it dries? I mean, it tacked up really fast.
It does not. I can't really read the actual instructions.
I'd give it at least 3-4 hours. Then it'd probably be good after that. I wouldn't put it on right now. Right now we gotta do the wiring. All right, so now that the tab's on,
It says bonds in seconds.
bonds, not dries.
Yeah, I think we'll be alright. I'll go look it up and see what it says. Lock that AA312.
That's good stuff though. It'll probably break the glass before it falls off. All right, so now we got that on, we need to get to the 12 volt outlet. So, all right, we'll get on that. Yeah, I think it's just the two up there, and then
And the one in here. So, I got that out. All my change. Yeah, actually there's two right in here. There's two screws down here. I think there's one all the way back there if I remember correctly.
I don't remember. We're gonna learn today. It's funny.
Two.
You were one of the ones that's like, make a video. Now you're in the video.
I know. How do I make a screwdriver work? There we go. These have a little bit of angle, I remember.
I mean, this was supposed to be a how-to screwdriver video.
It's true. I'm learning how to use a screwdriver, everyone. Follow me, the unable to use screwdriver guy on Instagram.
There's probably a guy on Instagram that has a channel like that.
Yeah. The Screwdriver Trust channel. Yeah, I think one more. I think there's one more back there, I thought, but I could be wrong.
Maybe there is. I never put it back in. It just feels like it's stuck. Don't you have to pull the radio trim off too? Yeah, you gotta pull the radio trim off.
Really?
Yep.
I don't remember doing that, but oh well.
Yeah, I think you have to.
Alright, well, 4 screws on the side. You're gonna have to get those two. I'm not reaching across.
What if I don't want to?
Well, then we're at impasse. This job will never get done.
I'll take them out with the impact.
Yeah. Well, I'll get some bottles out and we'll get them out.
Yeah.
If you had a plasma cutter, we could get these out really
Oh,
easy.
we can get them screws right
Yeah,
out.
but you don't have one, so.
Yeah.
Hey, loser. Gotta get on my hands and knees for this one.
Hey.
Story of my life.
While you're down there, get that screw out.
Nope. It's all you now.
Who put this Velcro in the way?
Me. It's for my,
Great.
yeah, it's for my thing.
Your burp machine?
Yep.
That's cool. I want a burp machine.
Nope.
Remember the cheap fart machines?
Yeah. Yeah, remember the fart bomb that someone blew up in the hotel during the first meet and greet?
Yeah, I don't want to talk about it.
That was so gross.
That thing was
We've been
nasty.
on the road for 12 hours. Let's finally get a hotel and fart bomb.
Yeah, that was gross. That screw is just jammed in there with this. Come on now. Gotta peel it back a little bit, that's all. Come on now. Well, that screw is just saying, no. Come on now. Wow, those screws are like mint. They're not even rusty. Look how perfect that screw is.
Yeah.
Rustiest car here. Nicest screws. We don't need that where we're going. Now this should come out. Oh, there's one right there.
Oh, yeah. I knew there was a
Under
fifth
the
one.
radio trim.
I knew there was a fifth one.
Very dirty screwdriver now.
Yeah, look at my screwdriver dirty.
Sick Pioneer, bruh.
Thanks. Came with my brother's car.
It looks like a pretty vintage Pioneer.
Yeah.
It's
works good, though.
pre-USB days.
It works good, though. I mean, for what these cars are, they sound good anyway.
Perfecto. Now we got them 2 wires. Now, if you do professional wiring like me, I think just jam the wires in the plug.
This is why I wanted to replace it. This thing is super loose, but it turns out it's actually just this thing got loose in the back.
Oh, so you could just fix it.
Yeah.
Well, there you go.
So I don't actually have to change this thing out.
Man, so what I'm thinking with these plugs, because I don't want to splice your harness.
Go ahead, I don't care.
Okay, so I guess
I would
splice it and tape it.
Yeah, I would say do it somewhat right.
All right, we'll do that. All right, we're going to get some wire. Muddy under here.
Yeah, I don't know why. Kind of weird.
Yeah, especially for someone that doesn't go wheeling.
Yeah, no, I've never even broke a radiator off-road, so I don't understand. The belt for the AC is real fucked
Oh
up.
my god.
I think the tension just got loose.
How didn't that fall off?
I don't know. Glad it didn't, though.
Alright, so here's your sensor wires. So
14 on there again?
I think that's a 12. So going through the headlight area. That's, I think, the front part that's loose. It's either that or the pulley is actually junk. That is sketch. Just those. So red is green. Yep, we're gonna just do the old twisty special.
14 too. You like me?
Is it a 14?
Yep.
I thought it was a 12.
Yours might be a 12, this one's a 14.
Because you just somehow loosen your tensioner bolts.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm not one of the cool kids that breaks radiators, so. It's a little loose yet, but I'm gonna loosen this up just a tad and then run that a bit tighter. There we go, that's nice and tight.
That's not how you say it.
Good and tight. Like brand new. They're never even leave it yesterday.
Look at my pants from that hole in the floor.
Yeah, no, I'm still wearing the same jeans too.
Yeah, the garage, plus they're honestly more comfortable than my other ones, so.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's see if we can sneak this sensor in here. Now, I feel like we should zip tie it, but I don't know how to tie this in here without it, because it's going to fall out. I think. This. Yeah, that won't block the sensor and it'll keep it in. You're going to send this car all the way to the moon?
No, I'm going to take care of her. I baby this girl. She's an easy life. Better than sitting. She just wants to run.
I will agree with that. It's better than sitting. Alright, I think that's going to keep.
I can't wait to get the freaking snorkel on here and send him a picture. Using waters all
Alright,
the time.
sensor is ran. We'll show the people.
Party people?
This is how I did it on my car. Except I zip tied his because he wheels really hard and it's going to fly out. But it kind of like sticks in there so the wind will hit it. Not on the radiator side, so it reads more accurately. There's the old Sensi. GM. That ain't Toyota. And the nice pretty wiring that we got, just kind of...
Yeah, I'm going to tuck it in a little better later, pull this out and wrap it underneath here. And
perfectly fine, I think. It's acceptable. Now we need the harness for the mirror, which I think is on the mirror.
Yep.
We got to splice it in. All right, now here we are. So Luke wanted to be OCD about his wiring, so we got a coat hanger. I don't know where our certified coat hanger is. Taped the wires to it, ran it through, ran it out there, ran them in there. So we got the 2 power wires down here. Got it all spliced in, taped up, tucked in. So all we gotta do now is hang the mirror. Well, we're pretty much all done. We got the wire hanging. We're not gonna hang that until later on. He's gonna let it dry. But here's what I did. I just kind of spliced the harnesses right into the factory wires. Nothing special. Is it professional? No. But as long as it works, all we gotta do now is jam the key in it and see if the mirror lights up and tells us the temp. Oh, there it goes. Woo, 52 degrees.
not bad in here.
Nice. She's a working. That buzzer sounds sick.
Yeah, it's just real noisy.
Cool. There she be. I think it looks good swinging around. Just let it flop around all day.
Floppy. Okay, so hopefully that's what you got. It's pretty straightforward.
Yep, so there you go. Got a temperature compass auto dimming mirror. 83, 84, Tercel Wagon. Doesn't really matter what you have. You got the glue, you got the tab for the mirror. You buy some wire, you can run it yourself and do a better job than we did if you got a really nice car. Yeah, I don't know. There you go. If you got any questions, comment down below. I'll answer them. I think that's about it. Cool. See you in the next one. Peace.
Adios.